how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the Reel option on the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and tap hold on the Reels, and in the menu that appears you will see the option for auto scroll. Simply go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for auto scroll, and now with this, as the reel finishes, the auto scroll will be enabled and you will not have to keep scrolling once the reel finishes, as once the reel finishes, the Instagram app will auto scroll your reels automatically. And just in case if you don't see the auto scroll option, then it could be because that your Instagram app is not updated. So open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app and see if the auto scroll option is available for you. If not, then it also could be because the feature is not available in your region yet. So for that, you could either use VPN or simply wait for the auto scroll feature to be available on your region. So this was about how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.